Standard 4 Subject English Topic Mannu's Maths. Hello students, how are you all?
I am fine, teacher.
Great. Now look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
A sack of flour.
Very good. And now tell me, what do you see in second picture?
A bunch of grapes.
Correct. Now let us see next picture. What do you see in this picture?
A packet of biscuit.
Excellent. And what do you see in this picture?
A water bottle.
Very good. And this picture?
A pair of socks.
Excellent.
A coconut oil.
Very good. Now, you all are know the words for these pictures. Very good. Now, let us try to read this. Now, see here, some words are given and picture. So, what you have to do, I will read the words and you will tell me the word for the picture. Okay, let us start. Mannu's uncle gave her a packet of
Biscuits.
very good. Mannu,
Cut.
the packet open. There were
12
biscuits in the
packet.
Mannu gave
2
of them to her uncle.
One.
To her mother.
1.
To her father. She ate
2 biscuits.
herself. Then she gave her
Cat.
and her
Dog.
1 biscuit each. Then, how many biscuits were left?
4.
Excellent. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Very good, students. Now, look at this picture. This is your textbook. So now, I am going to read aloud a paragraph from book. Look at it carefully. It has some pictures and numbers. Colorful pictures and numbers. I will read the words and stop at the picture and numbers. You have to say the words for them at the right time. This is how we will read all together. So, ready?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, start. Mannu's mother told her to go to the market. I need half a kilo each of
Potatoes.
and
Tomatoes. 3.
lemons, a piece of
Ginger.
and some.
Chilies.
Take this
Bag.
and this
100.
rupee note. Be careful and come back before
5.
Mannu brought the
Potatoes, tomatoes, 4.
lemons and some.
Chilies,
I did not get any.
ginger,
Mannu said. Never mind, said her mother. Excellent. Now let us read next paragraph. Mannu saw some strings of
flowers,
in the market. She brought
10.
strings and counted the
Flowers,
in each. There were
40.
flowers in
7.
strings.
44.
Flowers in
2.
strings. And
36.
in the last string. There are
400.
flowers in all. She said, is she right? Yes. Very good, everyone. Now, we have one activity. Here is a table of some words. What you have to do? You have to make a list of things with the help of this table. Are you all ready? Yes, teacher. So let us start.
A liter of oil. A liter of milk. A sack of sugar. A meter of cloth. A meter of ribbon.
Very good. Now it's time for game. Do you all like to play games?
Yes, teacher.
So here I have one game for you. Let's see how to play this game. Okay? So here you can see game name Mannu's Maths, and here down you can see start playing. So you will click on start playing, and here you will write your name. So here I have written my name, and then you will submit. You will click on submit. Now OK, go. You will click on go button. Your game started. Select the correct word. Some grapes, a bunch of grapes, a dozen of grapes, a string of grapes. What is correct answer?
A bunch of grapes.
Excellent. Very good. So then you will click on next button. Next. So here you have a next question. Okay. In this way, you will complete all the questions. So are you all ready to play the game?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So I will send you the link of this game in your group. You all will play the game. Okay? I want some of you to read words and someone will say the words for the pictures. Okay. Who will start?
Teacher, may I?
Yes.
I am drawing and my friends are looking at my picture. They see the sun, the moon, the stars, and the clouds in the sky. The peacock is dancing near the tree. The sparrow is sitting in between the crow and the parrot. The cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. The monkey is sitting up there on a branch of the tree. The squirrel is also sitting on a branch of the tree.
Very good. And now, home assignment for you. Make a shopping list that has 10 things in it. So, one example I am giving you here. Look at this. 1 kg salt, 1 kg onions, 1 kg potatoes, 6 napkins, 1 double bed sheet, 1 dozen bananas, 1 bottle coconut oil, 2 bath soap, 1 toothpaste, 1 jar of pickle. Thank you.